Because you'll be able to move in, won't you, when we're... Yeah. Yep. Am I on?
I think so.
Right. Hello. Am I on?
Yeah, you'll be on.
Yes. Right. Hello. I'm absolutely shaking doing this. This is only my second live. But what I'm wanting to do today is, it's actually a sign that you can hopefully all do at home. Oh, I'm sideways. Hang on, we're sideways. Anyway. Right, sorry, slight technical. Technical hitch.
Does it go that way? That way?
Yeah, no.
It's not going to work, is it?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Justin's chunk.
No.
Oh, okay. I see you. Oh, put it round the other way.
On the other way?
Yeah.
That way?
Yeah. No, it's gone. Swear
That's
gone.
not going to work with the thing.
Put it that way.
Hello?
Yeah, that's fine. Leave it that way.
Right, we haven't got it plugged in yet though. Hello?
You're having a quick tour of your tiny office. That's sideways.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's sideways. Looking back.
Yeah. What about putting it towards me so the camera's on, then I can...
Yeah, that's it. Oh, but it's sideways here. Why is that?
It's because it's 20 seconds, 30 seconds.
All right,
delay.
okay, we'll just give it.
Ah, right. Hello?
That's not going to work, is it, that way? It's got to be that way.
Hello? Ah, right. But I'm not...
I'm going to have to hold it because
Okay.
this thing won't work that way.
Ah.
All right, never mind.
The iPhone won't work. Oh, damn it. Anyway, hello, am I live? Hello?
Yeah, you're okay.
Yeah. Ah, right. I don't seem to be doing it. Am I?
It's just a delay.
Oh,
You're
right,
fine.
right. Slight technical hitches
Don't
there.
look at that.
Right, we're on
Yeah.
course again. What I'm going to be doing today is to show you how you can make this sign for Christmas with the big C words coming up soon. It's using 2 shades of milk paint, well, actually 3 shades of milk paint, and we're going to do a wax resist in between and then sand back, and you are going to be able to learn how to paint the little polar bears and how to do the trees. So it looks quite complicated, but when I break it down into sections, you should be good and you'll be able to go and do it at home. So also, if you want to donate, just before I actually get started, you can donate via text. And with the donation via text, it actually comes off your phone bill. So you can donate £1 or 50p or whatever you want. So hopefully you can see that, and I'll be holding that up through my hour if I can manage it. And also, which is going to be given away, but you have to like and comment, is a Miss Mustard Seed milk paint, a full pack in kitchen scale, which is an absolutely gorgeous green, and Outback petticoat, which is a lovely orange, lovely warm orange colour. So that's the 2 prizes as well from Miss Mustard Seed. So, right, where's my board? What I have done, panicking. Right, it's that one.
Kathy Marriott says, hi Fiona.
Hello, Kathy! Right, what I'm going to be doing, it's just a plank that I've got from a local DIY shop, and I've cut it and I've sanded it, so we're going to get to go with our first colour. So, for the first colour, I'm going to be using Artissimo, which is like a lovely dark blue. So, milk paint's powder form, I don't know if you can see. And I'm going to be mixing this with water, just a little bit. Oh God, I've got the shakes. Right, calm down. So, the water's not too cold, because if it's too cold it doesn't really mix very well, so you just want it sort of tepid. tepid
Half and
water.
half, you know.
Yeah, I've just mixed it half and half. Yeah, so that is the dark blue. So normally when I've mixed it, I would let it sit for maybe 10 minutes before I actually started painting with it, but we haven't got 10 minutes. So I'm just going to get cracking if I can find something to mop my brush. Oh, panic, panic, panic. So this is just cheap old, actually one of my favourite brushes. These are Fusion, just the chippy brushes. They're quite cheap, but I use them all the time. They're really
I use
good.
mine all the
I
time
love
as well.
them. They're nice
I
and
love
thin. So now I use those. So onto the raw wood, we want to go with the first colour. Oh God. So I want to kind of make a little bit of a dip. So I'll kind of go like that. So you can see. And then just quickly paint an Artissimo on.
Does it sort of sink into the wood then? Or?
Yeah, with
Yeah.
it being fresh wood, you can actually use Miss Mustard Seed for wood staining.
All right.
You don't, or colour, you know, you can use it as thin as you want, as thick as you want.
Oh, I see.
On raw wood, it's brilliant. So I'm just gonna. I had this time to perfection in my test runs. So. Right. So that's our Artissimo on. Now while that is drying, I'm just going to pop that on the radiator for a minute while I mix the next colour. And my contrast for the sky is going to be Flow Blue, which again is another really nice mustard seed. So I'm just going to, whoops, that's a bit much, I don't need that much. It's about, usually sort of half and half paint, half water. So I'm just going to, right, I need a brush to mix that one. I love the mixing part of the milk paint. The nice mix. Quite therapeutic when you're mixing. So that's my sky contrast. That's those two colours mixed. And then while that other dark blue is drying, I'm going to do the snow colour, which is a Miss Mustard Seed grain sack. And it's a lovely pale grey, whitey grey. It goes with loads of stuff. It's really nice. Tiny bit of water and a paintbrush. So the reason we're all doing this, I don't know if you've been watching all day, but everyone has done so well, and I can't actually believe how nervous I feel doing this. I actually nearly ran off about 5 to 5. I can't get out of the office, I'm trapped, so I'm still here. Right, so I don't know if you can see, that's the grain sack mixed. So that's that mixed. Right then, we are going to go back. I'll just give a quick flash of if you want to text or donate. There's also a Just Giving link that I've been putting in the comments of the posts I've been sharing. So you can also donate via that. Right, now I'm going to have to just hairdryer this off. It's not quite.
Wait a minute. The Cynthia is heading. I was saying that we're on the wrong page.
I'm on the wrong page.
Yeah, you need to do it on your business page.
Oh.
Stop and start again.
Oh no.
Can't share it from personal.
Oh, give me a minute.
Share it.